Hello, welcome to Infinite Beauty channel. So today I will be making this beautiful wig you are seeing here, and I will be using Sia's hair by Sister, or if you can't get it, you can use Natural Twist by Darling. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you and welcome back. So I will be starting by crocheting this hair on my wig cap, and then start a loose twist with my right hand strand going on top of the left hand strand, so that my twist can maintain its fluffiness and its springiness to get this particular look. Once I'm done twisting throughout the wig cap, I'm going to be plating the bottom half of this twist into a pigtail, and then I'm going to be dipping them into hot water so that I can get some beautiful hot water curls. So this is the look, this is how it came out. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Please let me know down in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.